Today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy origami boat. So to begin, just take your A4 or letter size sheet of paper and fold it in half. Now you're gonna place it like that and fold it in half again. Then unfold and fold the top corners towards the center crease right there. Now you're gonna fold one layer of paper from the bottom along this line right there. So as you can see here, we take one layer of paper and fold it upwards. And then take the corners and fold them backwards like this, here and here. Now you're gonna turn everything over and repeat the same step by folding the paper upwards. Now you're gonna take your model and open it from the bottom here and pull it apart, and as you do that, rotate it and make it flat. And it should look something like that. Again, what we just did is you take the model from the bottom, you pull it outwards and then rotate and then make it flat. We're almost done here. Now what you do is you take one flap and fold it upwards all the way. Then you turn over and repeat on the other side. Now we're gonna do a similar step. We're just gonna open it from the bottom and rotate and make it flat. So now you're gonna take the paper here and sort of pull it apart slowly, like that. And once it's open, just make the bottom flat. And this is pretty much it. After that, your origami boat is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time.